Most teams out there actually hate Jira because on the way how it was set up. In this video, we're gonna be taking the time to actually set up a perfect from scratch boards that your team can actually use from today. We're here for the creating of the project itself. We're actually having options for Kanban and for Scrum. To make a difference between these two, Kanban is for continuous work, while the Scrum is actually different because it's a whole framework where actually you have the planning phase, you have the sprints that are actually activated, and you have the end of the sprint. So it's much more heavier framework than the Kanban itself. So we're gonna be using the Kanban right here. We're gonna use the template. We're gonna say good project. And now in order to actually make more boards, we actually need to have a company managed project because team managed projects can only have one board. Let's continue. Now from here, we can actually define what's actually pretty good. We can we can go with sample work items. So this is something that we can define. We can go with the statuses themselves. This is actually good. We're gonna say review, and we're gonna add that review right here. So we have that as well. Now these are the views that we can actually define for the teams that are needed. So we're gonna not gonna need the forms. We're gonna be needing the backlog actually. That is going to be for the Scrum board, and we're actually done. The setting up of the space is actually there. It's gonna go pretty quick, and when we are actually done with that, we're just gonna set up everything else. All right. Let's go with next. Let's go with done. And there we go. So that's one part in there that we're actually having. The another part that we have is the creation of the board. We have the creation of the Scrum board itself. So from here, we can actually say something like development team. And what we can actually include from here is what type, the label, choose. And so we're choosing what to actually include in here. So we can go with the saved filter, with the team, with the work type. And this is the work type that is going to be focused on epics, stories, tasks, and even these ones. Right, there we go. So this is what we have in here when we actually go for the active sprints. As you can see in here for the development is actually to do in progress and done. Now what we can actually do from here is we are gonna go and we're gonna make this look better. So let's go for the card layout, swim lanes, estimation. Yeah, all of that seems good. Now we can add the new column, so we can say that this is also in the in review, and the in review actually has been added in here. The another thing that you also want to mention in here is these ones that are assigned to me, and you want to turn that off, turn that on. And for the development teams, this is something that is actually pretty done. We can create another board in here. We can actually create for the marketing team, and we can say this is going to be marketing. We actually want to include in here. So we're going to be including, that's going to only be the tasks. So tasks are only in there. And there we go. So we have to do in progress and done. We're gonna add some additional options in here. So for example, campaign start, right? So that's also included in here, and we can say campaign end. So that is also added in here, and we are going to be done with that kind of a part in here. When we actually go for the columns in here, what we don't want to have is, for example, in progress, we want to limit this. So We want to have the maximum of 3 items that are actually in progress. So that is something that is going to be important for us. Columns, yeah, it's number 3 for the issue count that actually stays, which is good. All right, and that actually looks good. That actually looks good because if I go here and if I say new campaign stuff, it has been added in here. Okay, no problem. And then it can actually go for the review itself. Doesn't show actually here, but we have it in progress. What else we can also do is we can add the swim lanes. Swim lanes are really important because in here you actually want to go with which one is this priority, the critical one. Also, I can have another one, due soon, and I can say that due date is going to be soon, so that is going to be less than 7 days. And there we go. So it's going to be called due soon. I don't have it right here, but when the boards are actually being created and everything is being created, that's how you want to set this up. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to Jira Bro as well.